this is the main feature. You have to go in Play Store, Google Play Store, and download दिव्य चक्षु ऐप. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, वहाँ पे जाके ये जो मतलब यहाँ पे प्रेफरेंस में पहले घुसना है. प्रेफरेंस में जाके साउथ इंडियन, नॉर्थ इंडियन, ईस्ट इंडियन, you have to set the chart style, then you have to set the default place, then you have to set 30-degree equal Rashi. After that you have to put down the value. First you have to select the customized Ainamsha, and then you have select subtract options and write down here 0.667, this value. Then you can choose from here any languages. English is more preferable. Then you have to click here solar year 365.2462. You have to click here for lunar node calculation for Rahu and Ketu. It should be mean always. Ashtag Varga, Tithi, blah blah blah. This is none of our business. Just click here. This is the saving option. Just click here. And then our preference is set. Once again, select the chart style, select your default place, select equal Rashi 30-degree, go customized Ainamsha, select, subtract, write down here 0.667, then select lunar node calculation as mean, then click here for save. And now whenever you go further more features, click here further more features. You can see there are lots of options. This is our option, True Nari Astrology. If you select from any of them, like I am selecting here, then you will get that kind of code. You have to copy the code and send it to us, the given phone number, and we will provide your generated key after your payment. I have already put it down, so there is no need of further key to insert for unlocking our portion. This is True Nari Astrology. Whenever we go with that, we just click here True Nari Astrology and it will open like this. Here it is the data sheet of natives. You can write down here name, date of birth, time of birth and place of birth as well. Then you should select male or female, then click on modify data. Modify. You must remember one thing, that save option must be selected like this, saved option, otherwise no chart can be saved here. We can write down here anything like present, anything we can write down here. Say Horary. Today is 24/08 and 2020. Time 2008:00. Place Kolkata. Then modify it. Then submit. clearly submit here. Now the chart, this is the chart of present day as well present time. Here the unequal version of Nari Amsha has been set by default. You can select here, you can move or backward year, month, day, hour, minute and second. Just choose here. Suppose I am choosing min. Then we have taken 8 p.m. 8.8, 8 hours and 8 minutes p.m. So I am just plus here. It's showing 9, 8, 9. If I plus 8, 10, we can minus it. If I choose seconds over here, if I plus, it will show like 1 seconds, 2 seconds like that. Fine. There are equal and unequal section. Here is a chart. I am using South Indian chart. In lower section, this is the planetary details along with house, their degrees, their star lords, and our desirable thing, the main thing is Nadi Amsha. Nadi Amsha name along with the Nadi Amsha lord. The same thing we can see also in case of Bhava Kundali, Bhava chart, as because we use in Nadi equal Bhava division. So 21 degree, 18 means 25 seconds will be all around here. And these are the Rashi's names. 0 means Mesham and 11 is stands for Min. Bhavas star lord and Bhavas as well Nadi Amsha lord along with their name. Here we can see the Navansh chakra according Nadi. We have our own calculation method. This is our Navansh chakra. This is our Nadi Shashyamsha chakra. Navangsha in case of Nadi and other rest of system both all are same little bit. More or less all are same, but in case of D60 chart, this chart is completely different. In Nari, we used to use this kind of pattern. You all know what is the basic calculation behind this Shashti Amsha. And here it is the unique thing, Nari Amsha chart. This is the first time in this world we have done this thing. And after that, in second page, we can see the entire planetary signification as planet, star lord and Nadi Amsha lord. The entire thing. At the end of this page, at the end of this page, we can here see the Bhava chart. And here is, we have all another one option. If we go with Bhava rotation, suppose Sun is signifying 5 and 6. Sun is signifying 5 and 6. If we take Bhava 2 as a Lagna, because Sun is showing 5 and 6, as because Lagna is here in Minam, Meena Rashi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth Lord posited at 5th. That's why Sun is signifying 5 and 6. If we take the Bhava ahead, Bhava 2, that means if we grant Bhava from Mesha, then immediately the signification has changed. Fine. The Bhava is also changed. The Lagna also changed. So we can do rotation here through our software. In Dasha, we are having both thing running standard Vinshottari Dasha and most unique thing for Nari, which is required Tribhagi version for Janma, Anujanma and Trijanma portion. There is a Tribhagi Dasha. And we are having also our traditional Paraya system too. Suppose this is the age 1 because I am taking 2020-24 August date. If at all we are just doing plus here, what will be the progressive Jupiter? This is the progressive Jupiter, Ketu, Saturn and Rahu, and this is the natal Saturn, Ketu, Jupiter, Rahu. So 2 years Jupiter has shift over there. 3 years Jupiter has shift over there. Like this. Are you seeing the Jupiter is shifting along with the very Saturn and Rahu, Ketu also. So if we see at the age of 12, Jupiter has to be posited, it's 12 as per the Nari rotation system, progression system, and this is not at all transit position of planet, because in actual Nari we do not consider transit. We used to take the progression or paraya. Transit is different things and paraya is different. We can drop down here and select any ages from here. Suppose we are just want to see the scenario about age 35. So just click on 35. Now see the change. The 35th year should be like this.